In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve image quality in Canva. If you've ever uploaded a photo to Canva and felt like it looked a little dull, flat, or just not as sharp as you hoped, this quick tutorial is for you. We're going to keep things very simple and use Canva's built-in tools so you can get better looking images in just a few clicks, without needing any advanced design skills. First, open your design in Canva as you normally would. Once your design is open, click on the image you want to enhance so that it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and the editing options appear along the top of the screen. At the top toolbar, look for the option that says Edit. Go ahead and click on Edit. This is where Canva keeps most of the tools you need to adjust how your image looks, including brightness, contrast, and more creative filters. Even if you're new to Canva, think of this edit area as your main control panel for improving image quality. After you click Edit, you'll see different options appear, including one called Adjust. Click on Adjust. This section is specifically focused on fine-tuning the technical look of your image. Here, you would normally find sliders for things like brightness, contrast, saturation, and sharpness. Instead of manually changing each one, Canva gives you a faster option that does the heavy lifting for you. Inside the Adjust panel, look for the button labeled Auto Adjust and click on it. When you use Auto Adjust, Canva quickly analyzes your image and automatically tweaks several settings at once to make it look clearer and more balanced. Typically, it will slightly boost contrast, correct exposure, and improve colors so your image appears more vivid and professional. Give it a second after you click, and you should see your image update right away. Take a moment to compare how it looks before and after. If you're happy with the result, you're done. If you want to refine it further, you can still adjust individual sliders like brightness or contrast on top of the auto adjustment, but that's completely optional. Once you're satisfied, you can continue designing or go ahead and download your project as usual. Using Edit, then Adjust, and finally Auto Adjust is one of the fastest ways to clean up photos in Canva and instantly improve image quality with minimal effort.